What's your definition of a traditional Filipina? Where can you find traditional Filipinas here in the Philippines? How about you? What type of a Filipina are you? In your opinion, are traditional Filipinas becoming extinct? What's your definition of a traditional Filipina?
Traditional Filipina is a kind, thoughtful, and simple girl.
Simple girl. I like that. Simple girl. In your opinion, are traditional Filipinas becoming extinct?
Yes, I think so. Because there are following the trend.
Mhm.
Yeah.
They're following the trend. What kind of trend?
Like their clothing like that.
Mhm. And what else? Just the way they dress.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is a traditional Filipinas clothing?
Like they are uh, kind of sexy like this.
Oh, no, no, no. Now, my question is, what is the clothing of a traditional
Oh,
Filipina?
okay. The clothing is the simple girl, like above the knee,
Like very conservative
conservative.
clothing.
Yeah,
Above the knee.
above the
How
knee.
about this kind of clothing? Do you think this is like a traditional? Don't worry, I'm not gonna bite you. I'm not gonna be mad. She look at me. Or you're like, how about this kind of clothing?
What do you mean?
Like this dress. Do you think this is a traditional Filipina cloth or
No,
No. Okay.
there are modern.
Modern clothing.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, modern. How about you? What type of a Filipina are you?
modern.
Modern.
Yeah,
Why?
because of the way I dress.
The way you dress.
Yeah,
But
I do.
are you simple? Like in not just the dress or the way you want to, to look. Do you
Yes,
consider yourself simple?
yes,
Like how?
because I don't like my face full of makeup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like lipstick and that's it.
That's
Just
it. Lipstick or lip gloss.
lip gloss.
That's me. I can tell she doesn't really have anything. Just a lipstick. That's
Yeah.
it. Okay.
And I don't like other clothes that they can see my
Oh, you don't want like revealing clothes.
revealing. Yeah, revealing.
You don't want to show your boobs or
No,
anything or
I
your
don't.
butt.
Yeah, I don't like that. Just
Just like that.
just like this.
Okay. Okay, that's like your everyday clothes, right?
Yeah.
What's your definition of a traditional Filipina?
Okay, the my definition about the traditional Filipina, Filipino, most of Filipina has a uniqueness with their beauty and also their humbleness.
Okay. Uniqueness of beauty and
And
humbleness.
humbleness.
That's your definition of
Yes.
a traditional Filipina. What makes them different from, let's say, modern Filipina now?
Um, Nowadays we can see that some Filipina they adapt some culture from different countries like using crop tops, 'di ba? Now, we can say that Filipinas should pursue to wear their natural culture like simple outfit like that.
So that's like like the traditional Filipina. Okay. Then wearing, crop top showing their belly buttons like those.
Yes. Because sometimes those Filipina uses but not all, okay. Sometimes those Filipina uses crop tops or shorts. They seem to be attract some man who can, you know, I cannot mention it there because it's too ano. So baka mabash tayo.
Okay.
You
So
know?
they wear like revealing
Yes.
or
Oh.
provocative attire.
Yes.
Okay. In your opinion, are traditional Filipinas becoming extinct?
Yes, I can say that it's becoming instinct 'cause like I said, like was what I said earlier that some Filipina and Filipinos, those they had then forgotten the traditional culture about Filipinos in our country. I should say that like that. Those are they are engaging some culture like K drama and K-pop like that.
Okay. Okay. For the last question, ma'am, how about you? What type of Filipina are you?
I am a simple Filipina that has a goal of has a goal of to have a successful in life.
Do you consider yourself wife material?
No. I just like I was contented of what I am, and I am pursuing my dreams for my families. And actually I already have two kids.
Oh, okay. So that means you're married.
Not yet, but we are planning to.
Oh, you're planning to. Okay, you have a partner now. May we know what's your how old are you, ma'am?
I'm 28.
28 years old. Mom, thank you so much for having this interview with us. It's she's in a hurry and it's also raining here since morning. So thank you so much for having this time with us. Salamat po, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
What's your definition of a traditional Filipina?
Okay, when it comes to the traditional Filipina, it surrounds or it practice the traditional way, which is the being mimic and submissive, which portrays being Maria Clara.
Maria Clara. In your opinion, are traditional Filipinas becoming extinct?
Yes, it promotes the extinguity of uh, the traditions here in the Philippines. Even we are in modern era, still in our generation, we practice the the traditions that we
No, no, no. The question, ma'am, is, do you, in your opinion, are traditional Filipinas becoming extinct? Nawawala na ba yung pagiging traditional Filipinas ngunyan?
for now nowadays, yes, but some other Filipinos, they what do you call that? Wait lang.
Do you think there's still traditional Filipinas?
Yes, some other Filipinos or the native citizens are practicing the traditions, specifically the native traditions, but some other millennials, they disregard it through the use of social medias and the influence of the foreigners or the foreign, what you call that, the foreign cultures like Korean and so forth.
So, meaning they're becoming extinct, right? They're like
Yes,
vanishing.
yes, yes.
Okay. Where can you find traditional Filipinas here in the Philippines?
Mostly, you can find the native here in province, of course.
Province. How about you, ma'am? What type of Filipina are you?
Yeah, I'm practicing being a Maria Clara, which is being mimic and submissive.
That's very nice. Ma'am, how old are you po?
I'm 22.
22.
Yes.
And you sound very matured. Like, you know, like, I'm, it's like a compliment. It's a compliment.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you are 22 years old.
Yes.
Do you have like a job?
Yeah, I'm not specifically. I'm planning to take my licensure exam this coming September, and hopefully, God will take it to my dream.
Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflections